Yeah. Hello, Alfaro.
Hello, Campos.
I can the groceries and Coca-Cola.
You can find it in the supermarket.
Thank you. Hello, Tony.
Hello, Campos.
I need antacid because I have a stomachache.
You can find antacid in the pharmacy.
Okay, ciao. Hello, Tony.
Hello, Campos.
I need go to the school to study.
The school is next to the park.
Thanks, I go to study.
Okay, it's very well. Hello, Campos.
Hello, Tony.
I have hungry.
In the bakery you can find bread and cookies.
Oh, thanks. I go to the bakery.
Hello, Tony.
Hello, Campos.
I need money of the bank to go to it.
Oh, the bank is across from the supermarket.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Why, Campos?
Because I have money to go to a restaurant.
Oh, this is the finally, Campos.
Oh, yes.